Engine 87, engine 386, engine 685, engine 383, battalion 8, battalion 2, Dozer 220, safety 2, crew 12, copter 1, soup 12. It's going to be a vegetation fire. SRA is going to be John Henry Johnson Parkway across from Station 87. A report of a small grass fire started by weapons, qualifications testing. It's 25 yards by 25 yards at this time. Command Delta 1, and we're getting attack channel.
Water tender 12.
Water tender 12 Thunder.
Engine 311, engine 322, water tender 93, battalion 9, investigator 80, medic 59, engine 688, second alarm, MTZ, vegetation. It's going to be John Henry Johnson at Leland, John Henry Johnson at Leland. Be 10 plus acres. Attack is going to be Henry IC. Command Delta 1, PDF TAC 2. Second one.